Hello, my name is Sharon Rech and I'm the pre-kindergarten teacher at Sandy Mountain Elementary School. Today I'm going to model how to use a math game to develop number sense in pre-kindergarten. This is called the snack game. If you were playing this with your child at home, you would be their partner. In school we play this with 2 students. One student, the goal of the game is to create a snack of 5 apple slices. Some would be red and some would be yellow. The first student places apple slices on the 5 frame. I have 1, 2 red apple slices. The second student determines how many spaces are left and fills the 5 frame. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 spaces left. 2 red slices and 3 yellow slices makes a snack of 5 apple slices. Play continues this way. After playing this numerous times, students eventually strategically figure out the many combinations to make 5. One yellow apple slice, 4 red apple slices makes 5 apple slices. One, 2, 3, 4. 1. 4 red apple slices and 1 yellow apple slice makes 5 apple slices. This builds background for students' fact fluency when they get into older grades and start writing equations. 4 plus 1 equals 5. That's one way we play math games in pre-kindergarten to develop number sense.